Alright guys, welcome back to our next reaction video, and tonight we are going to react to my girl Miss Faouzia, and we are going to react to Set Fire to the Rain, the song title. That's the song title. Now without further ado, let's just start this and let's dive down. Her voice always beautiful. No, you're not hearing somebody's voice in your head and it's like music to your ears. Beautiful, amazing, splendid. You rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you came and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side. Beautiful, beautiful. Like that is my new slang. Beautiful is my new slang. This performance is beautiful. Let's just dive down more and get more interesting. Oh my God. Oh my God. Her voice is just beautiful, splendid, so magnificent. Magnificent. Let's go down more. Beautiful. The way how her breath control is on point. Yo, this is just splendid, magnificent, amazing. You know what I mean? You know? Oh my God. I just don't know what to say. I'm always gonna say beautiful, beautiful. But now I'm gonna say it's just magnificent, marvelous, and amazing. This is performance. You know? This is like my think about 8 reaction of her. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Her voice is so amazing. Let me tell you, amazing. Oh, wow. Just wow. Just wow. This is a performance. She's always delivering. She's always delivering, I'm telling you. Wow. Oh my days. She's amazing. She's very amazing. Super talented. And her voice is beautiful. Out of this world. Beautiful. Her breath control is so magnificent. You know, she's always on point. You know what I mean? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Don't cuss me for the beautiful. It's just that, you know, you can't just find some small word to put with this beautiful performance that this sweet melodic voice angels just is singing. Oh my, this is amazing. Let it burn for real. Let it burn. Just let it burn. Let it burn. Beautiful. All I can say, this is beautiful. She's amazing. Oh my God. Amazing.